Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. A very happy Pongal to all of you. Today we are going to make a Pongal special recipe, Sakkara Pongal and Ven Pongal. Let's get started. Here we are having 2 cups of raw rice and 1 cup of Moong dal. These are the ingredients to make a Ven Pongal. Here we are having 2 teaspoons of pepper seeds, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of ghee, some curry leaves, some finely chopped ginger and some cashew nuts, sunflower oil and salt. And these ingredients is for Sakkara Pongal. Here we are having 1 cup of jaggery, some raisin, some cashew nuts, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and 4 tablespoons of ghee. First we need to soak the raw rice and the moong dal together. So that wash for 3 to 4 times and soak it with water for half an hour. Now our rice and dal soaked very well. Transfer this into a pressure cooker. To make a pongal, for 1 cup of rice we need to add 3.5 cups of water. Here we totally used 3 cups, so I am going to add 10.5 cups of water. Now pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. Meanwhile, I am going to melt some jaggery, so that I am going to add 1 cup of jaggery. Now I am going to add a little bit of water to dilute this. Heat for few minutes. Once it's melted well, switch off the stove and filter the melted jaggery to avoid the impurities. Now 5 whistles over. The pongal cooked very well. This is the right consistency. To make a Sakkara Pongal, I am going to take some pongal in a vessel. Keep the vessel on the stove and I am going to add a little bit of salt and add the melted jaggery too. Add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it well and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we can add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Mix it well. Once it's cooled down, it will become to thick consistency. Now we can switch off the stove. Now we need to fry the cashew nuts and raisin, so that add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, we can add some cashew nuts. Saute the cashew nuts until it will become golden brown. Now we can add some raisin. Saute well. Now this is the right stage to switch off the stove. Now we can add the roasted cashew nuts and raisin in the Sakkara Pongal. Mix it well. That's all, our Sakkara Pongal is ready. Now I am going to tempering some ingredients for Ven Pongal, so that add some oil and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the oil is warm, we can add our cashew nuts. Fry it well. Before it will become golden brown, I am going to add 2 teaspoons of pepper seeds. Now slow the flame. Once the black pepper seeds cracked well, we can add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Now switch off the stove. I'm going to add a finely chopped ginger and some curry leaves. Now it's ready. Add this into your Ven Pongal. Mix it well. Still now we didn't add salt. Finally, I'm going to add some salt for our taste. Mix it well. That's all. Let me present our dish. Now our delicious Ven Pongal is ready. You can serve this with coconut chutney. Let me taste it. It's really very soft and getting awesome smell. Wow, it's good. And we'll try with the coconut chutney. It's really very awesome with coconut chutney. Next, here we are having our Sakkara Pongal. Let me taste the Sakkara Pongal. Wow, it's very soft and we are getting wonderful texture. It tastes good, awesome. The jaggery blended with the pongal very well. Please try both the recipes at your home in a special occasion and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.